to show Nana your classroom?
Show me where's your classroom, sweetie? In this building? Uh-oh, door's closing. Be careful.
Everybody's so excited.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi, Jake.
Say hi there, Mr. Gary. There's Kaylin. Say hi, Kaylin. Okay, Mommy will come with you. Here, you want to hold my hand?
I'm so excited to see you. I love your backpack. Your shoes are sparkling.
Some kids are getting upset because they don't want to stay in school, but you want to have some fun. You want to have some fun.
You remember Nana's chocolate pudding?